care about the other boat. This one is the one that's good.
Also make the story better.
Enjoy your forest here, okay? Because she wants to stay.
I expected some questions in order, but
Well guys, I hope you like this short video from this awesome Midnight Express. We are always staying late and trying to see if we can capture any good night videos. So in this case it worked, and it was at the right time, and we were still able to capture this awesome site. So once again, I want to thank all the subscribers and everybody that is supporting our work here at Yachting Hub Miami. And it's really important for us that you leave a comment below. That's the only way we are going to be able to keep bringing you this type of content. Also, I'm going to be filming on this year's Miami International Boat Show. So if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, subscribe to this channel and we will be uploading videos constantly. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.